I used only AI tools for 1 week. Here's what happened. Imagine this, a college student trying to survive an entire week using only AI tools. No manual notes, no traditional research, no writing assignments the hard way, just AI doing everything. I took on this challenge, and honestly, the results surprised me. In this video, I'll show you exactly what happened, the tools I used, and whether it made me more productive or just lazy. Day 1. Planning my week with AI. The first step was to plan my entire week. I asked ChatGPT to make a custom study schedule for a college student, including breaks, revision sessions, and even meal planning. Then I used Notion AI to organize that plan into a proper calendar. For the first time, my routine actually felt balanced and sorted. Day 2. Smart notes and summarizing content. Next, I had to study a 30-page PDF on machine learning. Normally, that takes me 3+ hours. But with SciSpace, I uploaded the document and got a concise, clear summary in under 2 minutes. Then I used Notion AI to generate flashcards for revision. Honestly, this felt like magic. Day 3. Writing assignments using AI. Now came the big test, writing an assignment on cloud computing. I didn't just copy from ChatGPT. I asked it to generate a structured outline, wrote section-wise content using prompts, and then rephrased everything in Quillbot to avoid plagiarism. Finally, Grammarly Go polished the language and tone. Day 4. Creating presentations in minutes. Normally, I'd spend hours building a presentation, but with Slides AI, I just pasted my assignment text, and it generated an entire deck with headings and visuals. Then I used Canva AI to fine-tune the design. What usually took 30-45 minutes was done in 5. Day 5. Learning concepts using AI tutors. I wanted to understand stacks and queues in DSA. Textbooks weren't helping, so I asked ChatGPT to explain it like I'm 10, and it told me a story that actually helped. Later, I used Whimsical to create a visual mind map for better retention. This made studying actually fun. Day 6. Freelancing using AI tools. Here's the cool part. I actually earned money using these tools. I completed 2 small freelance gigs, one YouTube script and one Instagram reel. I used ChatGPT to write them, 11 Labs for voiceover, and CapCut to edit, all faceless. Together, they earned me 1,500 rupees. Day 7. Content automation plus AI reflection. On day 7, I focused on content automation. I used Pictory.ai to turn a blog into a short faceless video. Then I auto-scheduled it using Metricool. I even asked ChatGPT to write my captions and auto-reply to DMs. At night, I reflected on my AI experience using Notion's journaling template. So, after 7 days of using only AI, here's what I learned. AI didn't make me lazy. It made me faster, smarter, and way more productive. But here's the truth. If you use it blindly, it won't help. You still need logic, creativity, and intent. AI is the assistant, not the replacement. If you're a student, don't fear AI. Learn it, use it, master it. Because the students who do, they're the ones who'll lead the future.